Ano yan siya dyan?
In 1.4 kilometers.
Ala ka, Daddy. Uy, nasaag naman ka. Ay, we're lost.
You should have put Jollibee, Leckenville. Put Jollibee, Leckenville. I want to make sure I'm on the right place.
Okay, sandali lang. I'll fix this. Wait. Hala, nasaag na jud me, guys. Ayan. Hindi kasi nilagay ng asawa ko yung Waze. And then,
Put, go back. That's the road you need to.
Ayan. So, we're just gonna follow this dirt road.
Not too far. I don't like this road, but the wheel can actually get stuck on sand too. You know that?
Yeah.
This kind of sand. This is like thick. It's not flattened down.
Neo, what do you see, Neo? Oh, wait, Neo. Pulong ko.
You gotta
Wait.
make sure you don't stop on this little, like down in the river. Cause really, that right there's a river. It just doesn't have no water.
Ito, may mga ano. Ay, naku. We got lost. Oh my goodness. Hello.
That's all. This should be where we are going.
Oh, wow. Creek.
Maybe that's where we looked at.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Don't worry, Neo. We'll get there, Neo. You have to trust Daddy. Okay, yeah, you're on video. Anyway, yes, so we're just gonna follow this road. Yan, at least naka-on na ang Waze. Kasi kanina, pinalo lang ni Daddy yung kanyang yung kanyang brain GPS. Yan, nandito si Neo. Ay, natulog si Neo. You're feeling better now, Neo? Yeah, we're taking a ride. We're taking a ride, huh?
This is what we come down on. Right? The Aparente. This is the way the Papa showed us.
Oh, okay. I don't know that. You hear those different sounds? There's noise and there is a soft sound. Okay, we are back. Yan, so nandito na kami sa guys, sa okay na daan. We're not lost anymore. Yeah, so we are heading to the tailor, guys, kasi pipick upin ko yung mga pinagawa kong clothes. Then after that, pupunta kami sa bahay namin kasi sa bahay ng papa ko kasi i-drop namin si Neo. Magbakasyon muna si Neo sa sa bahay ng parents ko. Yan, I hope he'll gonna be fine. And unta dili mamingawan si Neo kasi baby ba kay siya namo sa bahay namin. Masyado namin siyang bini-baby. So, yeah, may pupuntahan kasi kami, guys, and we can't take Neo with us. Yan. So, he was dealing with the bumps earlier. Look at that guy. Yeah. He don't like the bumps at all. Kaya pinapasa-pasa namin siya. Balik siya kay Rachel, and then sometimes he would come to me. Rachel. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we just finished our dinner, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa sa KFC. Dito na kami nag-dinner kasi medyo late na. After namin din wrap off si Neo sa bahay ng papa ko. So, yeah, I hope, well, I know Neo is going to be fine.
He's gonna get to sleep.
No, we're gonna be chatting with Papa every day.
Well,
Yeah,
Neo,
so Neo can see us.
well, Neo, I don't think the cat knows that.
But he knows our
It's a
he knows.
video call.
No, at least he sees us. Yeah. So we definitely miss Neo already. Oh my gosh, hindi na ako nakapag-video. Huh? Okay, so pupunta lang kami ng wait, Robinsons. Pagkatapos niyan, uwi na kami ng bahay. So, see you!